with respect to the events that occurred yesterday. As you are aware, we had the unfortunate incident of the fire in Utumishi, where we lost 16 learners, and we continue passing our condolences to the families of the bereaved, and we continue wishing the learners who are still in hospital quick recovery. So we have a joint statement that we are going to issue to just update you of the current status of where we are from yesterday. And we'll continue calling you and we'll continue giving you updates as this matter progresses. So I propose that I'll read this joint statement, and then thereafter we'll take a few questions from you for clarifications, and then we'll proceed from there. So, ladies and gentlemen, as indicated yesterday, there was a tragic fire incident at Utumishi Girls Academy in Gilgil Sub-County, Nakuru County. At the time of the incident, a total of 808 learners were within the school premises. By last evening, all the learners had been accounted for. Most unfortunately, 16 learners lost their lives in the incident. The bodies of the departed souls have been transferred to Naivasha Sub-County Hospital mortuary for preservation and DNA identification. Parents and guardians are therefore being directed to the facility for purposes of the DNA testing. 79 learners suffered injuries of varied degrees, and 7 of the injured learners are still in hospital undergoing treatment, while the rest have been treated and discharged. These 7 were airlifted yesterday from Gilgil, and they are now being treated in Kenyatta National Hospital. Preliminary investigations have established the following. Number 1, the tragic fire was an act of arson. The Directorate of Criminal Investigations is currently holding and questioning 8 learners who are persons of interest in this investigation. The investigation will ascertain the individual roles in the planning and execution of this heinous act. Those found culpable will be charged in accordance with the provisions of the Penal Code and other relevant laws. We have indications that they will be presented to court as early as Tuesday next week. Number 2, the school did not adhere to the safety requirements as stipulated in the school safety manual and the basic education regulations. In particular, there was congestion in the dormitory and one exit door was locked contrary to the prescribed safety requirements. Number 3, 2 teachers were informed of this planned unrest by a section of Form 3 learners. However, these teachers did not take appropriate action before the arson, despite having been informed of this incident beforehand. Consequently, and in view of the foregoing findings, we have taken the following actions. Number 1, the Board of Management of Utumishi Girls Academy has been dissolved for failing to ensure compliance with the school safety manual and the basic education regulations. Number 2, the Teacher Service Commission has been appraised of these findings and is taking appropriate and immediate disciplinary action against the principal for failing to ensure compliance with the school safety manual and basic education regulations. And the teachers who failed to take action despite having been informed of the planned unrest will also be subjected to disciplinary proceedings by the Teachers Service Commission. Number 3, investigations are ongoing to establish other aspects of negligence on the part of the officers from the Ministry of Education and the Teachers Service Commission. Appropriate disciplinary and other legal action will be taken against officers found to have been negligent in their duties. Ladies and gentlemen, we shall continue providing information and updates as these investigations continue. That is our statement as of today, as an update from yesterday. And now I'll take us.
Na mtazamaji, kauli ya hapo awali kutoka kwa Wizara ya Elimu kuhusiana na habari ambazo zinazidi kutolea kuhusiana na mkasa wa moto huo wa shule ya Utumishi.